What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today I want to talk to you about Tupperware brand, ticker is TUP. I want to give you a pre-market update, go over what is happening behind the scenes, what shorts are doing, and the data points, everything that you need to know. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And with that, let's get right to it. So currently it is down 16.54%, kind of extreme. There isn't anything from the company itself, so no SEC filings, no press releases. So it is just people trying to digest this news. The fact that the US credit rating did just get a downgrade, and that is a little bit more of a fearful thing on a broader scale. So this is why a lot of the market is selling off right now. But I feel that 16.73% is kind of unrealistic. At the same time, you're getting a lot of FUD articles, more from investor plays, which I don't really like by any means, but still you are getting a lot of retailers reading these kind of articles saying that over the last several days, the reason why it has gone up is because of a short squeeze, and that is completely wrong information. I'm gonna break that down for you in a second, but the reason why it actually has gone up over the last little bit is just trying to readjust based on its past earnings, because it's been suppressed beyond belief because of way too many failure to deliver. So a lot of naked shorting, just shorting in general, it's just been trying to suppress it. And prior to it gaining a little bit more popularity, it did have generally a little bit lower volume. So of course that is very, very easy to manipulate. So this article is just completely incorrect. And unfortunately, a lot of retailers do read these articles from investor plays because I guess they have a good way of kicking off the algorithm. So their articles are always usually first, but this is very wrong. So I'll give you guys a good overview of what shorts are doing pre-market and why the article is wrong. So short score is currently 82, utilization is at 100%. And while I'm on this screen, I'll just kind of break that down for you. So right now the short interest is 30.78%. Day prior, 30.63%. Day before that, 28.96. So as Tupperware has actually ran up, shorts have not returned by any means whatsoever. So this article, again, just is spreading a lot of FUD. And like I've said on previous videos and even in this, why it's actually gone up is just because of its trying to readjustment of the intrinsic value. So trying to get it back to what it should truly be. And in my opinion, just obviously an estimate, I do feel that it should be around the $7 range, just counting its fundamental business. That's not counting the huge amount of shorts and naked shorting that is happening. So once again, let me know your thoughts on that. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so you guys always do your own due diligence. One thing to note is the fact that shorts are still kind of watching it. So right now, shorts are increasing 41,000 shares. Not pretty significant or anything like that. It's kind of a drop in the bucket, considering 11.91 million shares overall are being shorted. So this 41,000 is kind of nothing, but 30.89% of the free float is being shorted. And once again, the way I kind of digest this information, the fact that they are not doubling down based on this news, because I'm sure a lot of stocks are just getting completely hammered because of this news, but the fact that shorts are kind of just sitting back and just watching, they do feel that maybe this is an overreaction today. So the 16.73% down is just a very big overreaction. But keep in mind, there's been a huge amount of activity that's been on the dark pool. So these are all the transactions that did occur yesterday, so on August the 1st, on the dark pool over $100,000. And this is completely crazy. So look at all the transactions. So there's a substantial amount, but yet look at this. Technically, there was a good handful, so more than the average day for it, but still, these are all the transactions that did occur on the secondary market, which is what typical retail investors do trade on. So it's kind of night and day. There's a lot of manipulation that's still kicking around, and I disagree, like I said, that there has been any short squeeze. So potentially, this is still on the table, so you never know. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Do you think that this is an overreaction, or do you think that this is potentially just big money's way of flushing out the last of the paper hands before it does squeeze? What's your guys' take on this in the comments below? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. And one final thing, take advantage of this promo, completely amazing deal right now, and that is with Moomoo. Link in the description below and also the comments. Sign up for a free account, throw $100 at it, you get 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000, and you also get a $50 cash reward. So this is literally the best deal that you can get. Link in the description below and also the comments. With that said, I appreciate you guys watching, and let's all make a lot of money on Tupperware.